Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making jerk shrimp Rasta pasta. So let's start with a pot of boiling water. We're going to add some salt for our pasta. Next you're going to add your pasta and let that cook. Follow the box direction. While your pasta is cooking, go ahead and start marinating your shrimp. We're going to add some jerk shrimp seasoning. I added about 2 teaspoons. Next, we're going to give that a quick toss and we're going to put that in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Now, in a heated skillet, add some olive oil and go ahead and add your shrimp. You're going to cook your shrimp until it's fully cooked. You'll see it white on the inside. And I would say 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now when that 2 minutes is up, go ahead and flip your shrimp. Next, when your shrimp are done, go ahead and remove that. And in that same pan, we're going to go ahead and add our bell peppers. And we're going to saute those until they're completely soft, so about 6 to 7 minutes. Give those a quick toss in that jerk seasoning sauce. Now go ahead and add your garlic. Add your scallions. And saute those just for an additional 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, go ahead and add some heavy cream. Have your heat on a medium to low. Once your cream starts heating up, go ahead and start seasoning your cream. We're going to add some Sazon seasoning, of course. Smoked paprika. Onion powder. Parsley. Cracked black pepper. And of course, last but not least, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the jerk seasoning, and go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese as well as some Parmesan cheese. Whisk that together very well. I added some more cheese to thicken up my sauce, and then I mixed it together. I left it on a simmer. Next, place your pasta in your sauce. Mix that in very well. After that, we're going to go ahead and place our shrimp in the pasta. I left out a couple pieces just for presentation. And you can season to your liking and also add salt to your liking. If you decide to recreate this dish, tag me at Child's Cuisines on Instagram story.